Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. April 13, 2025, araw tayo ng linggo, 7 karera pa rin. Merong 2 stakes races, Road to Triple Crown, tsaka yung 4-year-old and above imported local challenge, Series 3, 2:30 PM start time. Okay, race number 1 tayo, winner take all. 3-year-old and above maiden race, placers, 1-4 ang distansya. Pang-primero ko, numero 1, native color with Jumer Estorque. Ito ang pangit ng kanyang novatoran noong December 13. 121.4 lang sa 1-2. Pero nung nag-barrier siya ngayong April 4, 113.6. So ang laki ng in-improve. Panigundo ko ay Choose Kindness number 3 with EA Abrea, 1-3, race number 1. Okay, race number 2, pick 6, class 5, 6 to 10, 1-4 ang distansya. Pampremera ko, numero 12, Captain Bob with AR Villegas. Panigundo ko, numero 2, Advocacy with Jumer Estorque. May kakopal yan, Gable with JB Bakikay. Isama ko, number 9, Golden Jaraywa with Ryan Base. 12, 2 at 9. Race number 3, ito na yung ating 2025 Road to Triple Crown Stakes Race. Milya ang distansya. First choice ka rito yung 2-6, El Jalejo at La Luna with EA Abrea at Pati Dilema. Panigundo ko, number 10, He's So Fine with JB Bakikay. 6-10 ako rito, race number 3. Race number 4, pick 4. Ito naman yung 4-year-old na above imported local challenge, Series 3, 2,000 meters. Ito wala nang question to. Panalo na to, number 4, Andiamo Aperense ni JT Sarati. Nawala si Mano Dura, so mas dumali yung laban para sa kanya. So solo na yan, number 4. Race number 5, huling DD1, class 4, 28 to 33, 1-4 ang distansya. Dito ako, number 6, Wild is the Wind with AR Villegas. Second choice ko yung 4, Attractive Force with EA Abrea. 6-4, race number 5. Race number 6, penultimate race tayo, class 5, 11 to 15, 1400 meters. Pang-primero ko, numero 2, Sting with Kelvin Abobo. Galing sa panalo, kaya lang binigatan siya, naging 57. Panigundo ko yung 12, Antonio de la Mugis with Donel P. Cortez. Sama ko na rin yung 5, She's Royal with Pagpau Gusay. 2-12-5, race number 6. And then dito tayo, race number 7, class 4, 16 to 21, 1-4 din distansya nito. Dito po, primero kong 7, Amor Mi Amor with JB Baikay. 57 din dala-dala dahil galing sa panalo. No bearing. Panigundo ko 14. Batang Pangkalu with JT Pabilik. Then sama ko si Jenny number 2. Kelvin Abobo. 7, 14, and 2. Race number 7. Good luck po. Happy racing and God bless.